SOFI update here on the 19th. So let's go over the wave from the very bottom, and I'll go over on the smaller time frames where we're at. So this is my count right here. 1, 2. We're currently in the third wave, pullback, fourth wave, fifth wave higher. There's one part in this wave that you need to be aware of to be cautious up in here. It's this right here. So I have this as a fourth wave right here, but this isn't 100% clear. So you want to make sure that this is not. You want to make sure that this is not the third wave right here, the overall third wave and the fourth wave right here. This is not going to make that big of a difference. We're still going higher short term, but the only reason I'll bring this up is because these small little errors could cost you holding or you thinking that it's going to go higher. I think it's a third wave, but I don't want to say it's definite. This could have been the end of the third wave right here. This could have been the fourth wave, and we could be in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Elliott wave is not definitive, and I just want to make that clear. So that's why I've said in the past few videos, this is going to be a spot that is a pretty good spot to sell overall. And if you zoom out here on the 4-hour time frame, you'll see the parallel line from the very bottom through this B or second wave. If we go straight up here into December, it hits the top of that right around like $15.50 to 16 bucks. And another thing to bring up too is if in Elliott wave, sometimes when you get, even if it was a third wave, even if it is a third wave, which I'm leaning towards it being still, sometimes the fourth wave will come back and the fifth wave won't make new highs. It's called a truncated fifth wave. So that's another reason why you want to be cautious and potentially sell up here. I'm not telling you to sell. You can do covered calls, whatever you want to do. I'm just saying that I would be cautious around this area. So I just wanted to make that clear. I still think that this is the right count right here, but I just wanted to make that clear that you want to be cautious up in this area. So let's zoom in here now on the smaller time frames and look at where we're at. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I think that this is finished. I think the fourth wave is finished right here, and we're in the fifth wave here. We have 1, 2. And then this part right here could go either way. This could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Or this could be a nested move. This could be 1, 2. And then this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I give it very, very small odds of being a B wave. So of this happening right here. That's very, very unlikely. I think we've already started that fifth wave. So the only thing to be that could go either way is this being a nested move or this being the overall third wave right here. That would be the overall third wave, fourth, and fifth. Either way, I'm looking up here at the top of this parallel line. My target originally was 15.30. I would just say the best target is this parallel line here. 15.60. The farther you go into December, the higher it gets. 15.70, around that area. So I'm just going to write it up here. Cautious if you get up in this area. From that point on, we'll probably see a fourth wave, or if this count right here, if this is actually the third wave, that could potentially be the C wave top. I've said that in the past, 16 bucks could be the top. So here's the two possibilities right here on the long-term time frame. So if this was a third wave, fourth wave, like that, that's one possibility. Second possibility is 1, 2, 3, pull back 4, and we go to like 22 bucks. On this one right here, it would be probably chop and down from here a little bit of consolidation. Don't know as of right now. On this one right here, obviously we're going to 22 bucks. So again, cautious up here, but we are in the overall fifth wave of this move on the smaller time frames. Looking for it to end between 15.50 and 16 bucks, probably within the next month or so. So be cautious up here, but that doesn't necessarily mean to sell. So again, if we go to 22 bucks, it's probably a third wave. If we get stopped up here at 16 bucks, then it's an ABC move. It is just a ABC like that. So again, I want to see 22 bucks because if we see 22 bucks, that means we're going even higher than that. That means we're going to go all the way up to potentially 30 or 40 bucks. If we get stopped up here, you could see a little bit of sideways and down like this, and then potentially go higher from there. So obviously the best route is this being an overall third wave, pull back for a fourth wave, and then go higher. So I just wanted to make sure that was clear. That you want to be cautious between 15.50 and 16 bucks, most likely. That's the top of the parallel line, and it looks like the either overall fifth wave is finishing up around here or the overall third wave, depending on the discrepancy right here between this being a fifth wave right here. It looks to me like a B wave, but again, it's kind of hard to tell. So you can tell me in the comments what you think. So do you think this is actually A, B, C, 4? Or was that the fifth wave right there? Was that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? That's where it gets kind of dodgy because I can see the argument made for this being an impulse as well. So that's my thoughts on the chart right now. We are in a fifth wave here. Look for 15.50 to 16 bucks coming, probably within the next couple of weeks. That's it for now. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates, and I'll catch you in the next video.